Stabilizer, baby.
What the? Okay, so
I don't know.
you don't know what happened.
I have no idea.
This is Merc.
This is my scratch-built twin-engine seaplane. It's made all out of Depron and carbon fiber. The wing is a 3-piece KF-type airfoil, all made out of Depron with carbon fiber spars. It's got two 1400 kV motors running 9-inch propellers, and they're counter-rotating propellers that are mixed into the rudder. It's got an FPV system on it right now, 5.8 gigahertz. I've used it to test a lot of different stuff. It's got all kind of room inside for different gear you can add, batteries, different FPV gear. Hatch is held on with magnets. Those are Great Plains floats that it's sitting on. Flown before in several different reincarnations. Last time it flew, it had twin Super Tiger 10s on it. And so I'm just trying some different motors here this time out. See how she does.
Yeah, just a test bed type plane.
Yeah. You think there's room for a camera on there if I stuck a camera on
Well,
it?
this first flight, since I changed the motors, I want to make sure it flies
Okay.
before we put all of our FPV and cameras and stuff back on it in case we
In case
don't have a
something
good
goes wrong.
result. Right,
Oh, okay.
right.
I can tell what.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm trying to trim some up in.
looks like my stabilizer, baby. Stabilizer, baby.
Wow, where is it? That's way down there. The wind is blown. Yeah. I mean, the wind must have blown that thing half a mile.
Man, you don't have any flip overs.
Oh, we can glue that back.
That's when it hit, but I mean the elevator and everything is still attached. So.
Yeah. Powering it up just to give it a little bit of test.
Don't see a red light.
No red light on the receiver.
It might dry out. But it'll probably dry out. But I think we got 2 beeps. Well, there you go.
Yeah, they're both beeping.
Were
Feels
you fairly
wet.
slow? Weren't you kind of fairly slow?
No, I was about cruising speed. I was just pretty much cruising, coming around for another turn, and then all of a sudden it was just giving her that.
Do you have differential thrust on it?
Yep, and I didn't turn that off after I took off too.
Ah, so it could have been something with that one haywire.
I made it several trips around through there. Okay, I'm going to guess one of these motors and speed controls burned up.
Okay, that's that. I guess we'll be moving on to the next one here.
Back to the drawing board.
Big stick.